Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, hooray. It's your birthday, hooray. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Mama! Sana wag na kayong mag-away. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Love you!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Ami. Wish you more birthdays to come. And happy anniversary to both of you and Ate Joanne. We love you.
Tito Ame, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday po.
Mwah, mwah. Di ba? Oh.
Happy birthday, Ame! Happy anniversary both of you. Good health and God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya May. Ingat palagi and then God bless. Enjoy your day.
Good morning, Bess. Good morning, Paring Amay. From the deepest of my heart, happy birthday, Paring Amay, and happy anniversary to the both of you. Enjoy, and drink moderately, okay? I miss you, Parikoy. I miss you, Paring Amay. Mua, chup, chup. From US to Philippines with love. Happy birthday, Pare. Love you.
Good morning, Paring Ami. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. Sana magkasama tayo. Articulate tayo ng araw at sana hindi na sana lamayan pag may patay tayo nagbabante. Happy birthday and happy anniversary sa inyo minsan ginawan. Sana palagi kang good condition, good health at many more birthday to come. Sa inyo ni Insan Joan, congratulations and more power sa inyo. At happy birthday and pasensya ka sa video ko. Medyo naras lang. Happy birthday and salamat.
Happy birthday, Paring Amay. God bless. More blessing to come.
Yun o. Happy birthday nga pala, pare ko eh. Pogi ko pala dito Happy birthday, 34 ka na? Magkasidad lang tayo, pare ko eh. God bless nga pala sa'yo.
Happy birthday. Sabi ni Mare, surprise daw. So have fun and enjoy your birthday. Thank you.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Paring Amay. More birthday to come. At mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless you always. Happy birthday ulit, Mama Chup Chup. Hey.
Happy birthday, Nina. I love you.
Happy birthday, Paring Amay. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Alam kong nahihirapan ka minsan, pero darating yung panahon, malalagpasan mo lahat yan. Para naman yan sa pamilya mo, sa anak mo, para rin sa sarili mo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Peace.
Happy birthday, Kuya May. Wish you sa'yo more birthdays to come. Good health. And sana ma-achieve mo pa yung mga ginugol mo para sa pamilya mo. Alam ko namang family-oriented ka. And also, bawasan mo yung pagiging mapang-asar. Kasi nakakagalit ka na. Joke na.
Happy birthday sa iyo, pare kami. More birthday to come. God bless you.
Birthday, paring kami. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy anniversary. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya May. More birthdays to come and good health. Stay
Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa.
lang. Stay sweet lagi.
Happy birthday sa'yo, asawa ko, Ramiro Bukila, and happy anniversary to us. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you, and mahal na mahal kita kahit na minsan talagang naiinis talaga ako sa'yo, napabad trip ako sa'yo, pero syempre andun pa rin yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Mag-ingat ka parate, magiging mong dadasal, and mahal ka namin ng mga anak. Love you.